Now in today's lecture we are going to discuss the unbalanced, how to solve the unbalanced Wheatstone bridge. In unbalanced Wheatstone bridge, 1 2 4 3 4 5 3 ohm, all the resistance may be equal, or all the resistance may be different like this, or the few resistance may be similar, right? It is not balanced Wheatstone bridge. How to calculate? Using the easiest method I am telling you, to convert this delta to star conversion, right? This is the delta to star conversion. Now I am explaining this. Suppose we have a delta, right? The triangle, the resistance are assumed to be what? It is R1, R2, R3. Is it clear or not? So if it is A, B, and if it is C, so this delta is converted into star, mean the between A you have to write the resistance RA. What is the resistance? RA is nothing but R1 R2 multiply by divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3, R1 plus R2 plus R3. In the same way, if you want to write the resistance of equivalent of this is assumed to be the RB, right? And the RB value is nothing but R1 R3 upon R1 plus R2 plus R3. In the same way, if you want to write the equivalent resistance of this combination, it is assumed to be the RC, is nothing but R2 R3, the multiply by the side resistance R2 R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, so this is the formula we are going to use. Now listen one thing, these are the three resistance are connected in right triangle. Now the star conversion like this, right? This is the star conversion. If this is the point A, right, this is the RA, this is the point B, this is the RB, and this is the point C, this is the RC. Now this is the delta and this is the star. This is delta and this is converted into star. This is very useful transformation to convert this type of the circuit to this type of the circuit, right, to solve this type of the question. Listen one thing, if this is A, suppose this is the B and this is C, and I am assuming this is the D, right? So this is the delta, you have to convert into this resistance. Suppose this is the RA, RB, and RC like this. So what is the RA? The resistance RA, if you want to write, multiply by the side resistance 1 into 2 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3. It is equal to 2 by 6, right? So this is the 1 by 3 ohm. In the same way, if you want to write the resistance, this is the RB first, right? This is RB. RB is what? 1 into 3 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 upon 6 is equal to 1 by 2 ohm. Fine. In the same way, if you want to write this RC, 2 into 6 divided 2 into 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6 upon 6 is equal to 1 ohm. Is it clear or not? So this circuit is converted into the delta in this way. This is the A. Now from A, right, this was the circuit, original circuit. Now this delta is converted into star like this. This is the A, this is the point B, and this is the point C. Fine. Here from B to C, this is the 4 ohm resistance is connected. This is the 5 ohm resistance is connected, and this is the point D. From A, this is the delta and this becomes star. What is the RA value? Say 1 by 3 ohm. What is the RB value? RB value is 1 by 2 ohm and this is 1 ohm. Is it clear or not? Now you can simplify and you can get the answer. This 1 and 4 ohm are in series, 1 by 4, so it is 9 by 2. 1 and 5 are in series, 1 plus 5, it is 6. So this is the A, this is the 1 by 3rd resistance, 1 by 3, right? In the upper branch, it is 1 plus 2, 1 by 2 plus 4, it is 9 by 2, and the below resistance 1 plus 5 is 6 ohm. Now these two resistance are in parallel, so product multiply by sum you have to do, right? This is 9 into 3 divided by 6 दूनी 12 और 9 21 बटे 2 3 सत्ते 21, right? 18 upon 7 ohm. So now this is 1 by 3, 18 upon 7 between A and B, right? So what you write, the RAB, both resistance are in series, 1 by 3 plus 18 upon 7. The LCM is 21, 30 54, right? And this is 61 upon 21 ohm. So in this way, although the calculation may be little easy, but when you convert this delta into star, this is the easiest way to solve this question, right? If you want to watch this type of the solution and the theory completely in English, especially for South student, you can join our YouTube channel, WhatsApp group and the Telegram, the link given in the description, right? All the best.